The United States has decided to lift sanctions imposed on Turkey, and President Trump is discussing giving Turkey the F-35, the world's most advanced fighter jet. Let me understand the impact of this decision. First, its fifth-generation fighter jet joining to the Turkish Air Forces. Its military state will be multiple, which could bring a major shift in the strategic and military equipment of the Middle East. Meanwhile, Israel is openly opposition in this move. Defense of this opposition. America intends to move forward with this deal. Second, in 2019, Turkey has sparked a serious diplomacy with its NATO alliance. It's pursuing and talking devices to S-400 missiles defense system from Russia. Following this, the US imposed a strategic sanction on Turkey, which include a completely ban of a Turkish defense industry agency, the SSV, and its official. Now the US has lifted those sanctions. Different comparison between the Washington and Ankara could improve. However, whether this eventually translated into an F-35 deal, remaining underrating and regional tensions, especially those involving Israel, could continue to rise. Now this coming to our second a major point. America has launched a massive airstrike targeting military bases in Iran. But the question is if effective, where is the underway to the radiation tension between the two countries? How did the situation election to this level? Agents in geopolitics simply and the sign as the agreement is the never each of the util both side truth is the each other and ability to the lie of the there of the disagreement the risk of the any ceasefire breaking down always remaining. In this entire squad of these events, the Strait of Hormuz is the most critical strategic route. I agree point of this world oil route, the passes throughout this Mediterranean route. Those is the impact of this military industry. And there is the not limited the Middle East, but what can is the effect is the entire global economies if this is there is the Mediterranean actually industry or military excellency in thoughts if the any party the likelihood the responsibility also growth. It is the why events the smaller industry in this region I can turn off the two major conflict. Now this is the biggest question, what happened the next if both countries contribute to there is the military actions is the remaining tension could each of the father both diplomatic talks realms is the, I think there will instead be possibility to warrant to the situation under control. In geopolitics, permanent violence is the advantage to just thought is the military might but also thought successfully diplomacy. Take care and thank you so much.